Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Cognizant started their hiring for off-campus. This is not for all, only for PWD. We just want to know what is the PWD. Person with disabilities is known as PWD. So any companies, if they mention in bracket PWD, is not for everyone. The disabled students only can apply for this role. So I am going to explain everything. So watch the video till the end. If your friend is having any disability, you can send by ear, nose, lungs, any problem, just a small thing, they can apply. So I'm going to explain the eligible criteria. After 1 year, they started hiring for PWD. Within a few days, they will start hiring for everyone, 2021 or 2022 batch or 2023. Last June, they started hiring for 2022 batch. After now only they are started hiring PWD. So my hope is they will hire 2022 batch once again in his career. So this is all the registration process: initial screening, technical assessment, HR round, offer round. So document required for registration, they are mentioning resume with recent photo and photo ID, academic certificate, proof of disability. So which disabled you are, you must have a certificate from doctor. So they clearly mentioned 3 years graduate, B for 4 years. So 3 years means BCom, BSCA. Their package will be 2.5, and 4-year graduation must be 2021, 2022 and 2020 with 4 LPA they are providing. So interested candidate can apply 14th July to 24th. Please note, it is not for as fresher, not prior work experience will not be considered. So if you have any doubt regarding the disabled, you can contact this mail GenChrC compilance nd@cognizant.com. So this is all the registration process, everything. You just going to apply in SUPERSET. If you are not create account in SUPERSET, I will provide the link in the description how to create a SUPERSET account. I will clearly explained everything. So watch the video clearly. Then only you may get a clear vision about SUPERSET account. Cognizant always hire with the platform called SUPERSET. No cost, they won't charge anything. No, you should not pay any amount. So if anyone asked about to pay anything, that is fake. So don't trust on. So you can see this is what the SUPERSET account. I will provide these 2 links. You can start applying with SUPERSET. How to create a SUPERSET account, what all the mandatory things you should apply, everything I mentioned there. So you just watch that video, then you start applying. 24th is the last date, so hardly 8 days is there. So this is for both 3 years and 4 years graduate. So this all the PW who are all eligible, everything they mentioned here. 3 years with the 10th, 12th, 50% applicable, no arrears should be there. First of all, create account, you can directly click here, apply. That's it. With your resume you can apply. So as usual, they mention about UG, PG, 50%, no black active black clause, photos, certificate, mark sheet, proof ID, everything should be scanned and stored in the PDF. Apart from that, nothing is there. You can download these 2 PDF and visit for one is for BTech and one is for BSc student. 3-year and 4-year package PDF they mentioned here. So you can visit here. This is what they're Cognizant hiring after 1 year for PWD. We hope guys, surely 2021, 2022 or 2022 batch for freshers they can hire. Surely we can trust. They are hiring only once in a year. So start studying now itself. So you can visit this link also. I will provide 2 links. You can visit here and read out everything. Then you can apply, start applying with this also. So I'm going to provide 2 links in the comment section. Share to your friends as much you can. So thanks for watching this channel.